Find the area of each of the following regular polygons. Okay, so we have a hexagon and a triangle. Okay, so I'm going to actually start with the second one. The area of a triangle is base times height divided by 2. We have the base, we have the height. So A is equal to base times height over 2, which is base is 12, height is 6 square roots of 3, and we divide by 2. So that's going to be, well, if we divide the 12 by the 2 here, or multiply by the 6, it doesn't matter, but you're going to get 6 times 6 or 36 square root of 3. And I can show you that really quick on the calculator. So 12 times 6 divided by 2 equals 36. Okay, I need to take that float off there. So I had it set to 9. I'm going to set it back to that, and then let's try that again. 12 times 6 divided by 2, and there we go, 36. Okay, and then the square root of 3 just gets carried along. That is the area, and that in the units on that, since we're dealing with centimeters, and area is squared, so it's cm squared, centimeter squared. Okay, now the reason I did that one first is because there is a formula for a regular hexagon, the area of, but I'm going to do this by splitting it up into these little subsections here, which creates 6 triangles. Okay, so we know how to do a triangle. We just did it over here. Okay, we know that the base of each one of these triangles is 14. So they're all the same. They're all 14. And we know the height of each one of these triangles is 7 square roots of 3. Okay, so every one of those has a height of 7 square roots of 3. So if we can find the area of one of those triangles, which we can multiply that by 6, and we can get the area of the hexagon. So one of these triangles, we'll just say one triangle, is equal to 14, that's the base, times the height, which is 7 square roots of 3, divided by 2. Okay, and that'll end up being 49 square roots of 3 centimeters squared. Now that is not our answer, that's the area of one triangle. In order to get our answer, we need to multiply by 6. 6 triangles, which is equal to the hexagon, is equal to 6 times 49 square roots of 3 centimeters squared. Let's type that in our calculator. 6 times 49 equals 294 square roots of 3 centimeters squared. And that's the area of the hexagon. Now, if you want the formula for a hexagon, we can do that too. We'll do that separately here. And the formula for that is 3 square roots of 3 over 2 times a squared, where a is equal to the side length. Okay, so that's just pretty much a plug and play deal. So we do 3 square roots of 3 over 2 times 14 squared. Okay, let's see what 14 squared is. Okay, and then times it, we'll leave the square root of 3 alone, but we will times that by 3 and then divide it by 2. So times 3, divide by 2, and we get 294 square roots of 3. So 2 different ways of doing it.